Machita, Kaizer Chiefs, lose 1-0 to Sundowns. So izinto ezi-5 esizifundileyo, esiziqapheleyo, esizinotisileyo kula match. 5 things we learned in English. We match Chiefs, lose 1-0 to Sundowns, FNB. Others before siqale, Machita qala udibana nale content, nale channel. Cela cofe usubscribe, thola everyday content nencoko apha ngebhola. So 5 things esizifundileyo kule match Chiefs. Ezinto ezi-5 most yazo zeze Kaizer Chiefs, because like most amachita amamela le channel, abukela le channel ngamachita we Chiefs yabo. So yeah, le video is more like izinto esizifundileyo nge-Chiefs phakule match noma bidlala Sundowns. But ke number 1 into esifundileyo inge-Sundowns. Maema again uzibonakalisile ba poza player leya more isikakhulu finishing yakhe umchita right foot, like indlela ishaya ngayo la goal like nge-right, because umchita left foot almost bawufinishela away nge-right yabo kwenye level ke ngoku, because like la shot bine curl, bine power, bine speed, and wenzela away nge-right foot awuyiboza mfethu. Maema yeah, so uyafera umchita ezaba injury player leya, you can only get better from upper. Into yesibini esifundileyo, Samkelo Zwane senintsi uyasifundileyo umtshana. Again nala as much as bawumnandi ngetechnique, khona ivideo besibindenzile apha ungayijonga about 10 uSamkelo Zwane engathi overrated, but player intswembu. So ubonakalile phakula match bawumtshana as much as bayimnandi ngetechnique, nge-touch, elegant ebholeni, ine-strength, emdeka mnandi, enawo namandla, ubone uphiwe ibhodi egrand mtshana. But inintsi uyisafuneka ifundile like in terms of uba yi-midfielder dynamic, bone yakwazi uba ne-desire yopusha forward, desire yokuya back, bone la commitment nje uba bizarre nje ube all action sorry, like uba yi-all action midfielder weyifunekayo ngoku, especially kii-light eziphuma academy. If ungena number 6 okanye number 8, make be all action midfielder mfethu. You can't be just doing one thing, but okay uyapasa qha okanye uya-create qha. Make be all action ngoku these days, and this way uyafuneka azifundile light uSamkelo. Otherwise ntswembu umtshana, nothing against yena, but ibone kula match i-Sundowns you need a lot more than ubone ipass ezi-good on the eye, yafistan, because Sundowns phana bepresswa pha bone, and bone awungona space ba kusemosha ipasses njengoba benazo phaka imatch eColin Arrows. You need more, and then you are exposed phaka Sundowns, especially against attacking midfield efana no Zwane bone. So yeah, number 2 is ifundileyo leyo Samkelo bone umtshana kufuneka develop igame yakhe, develop ezinye izinto apha kwigame ukuze abentswembu. Number 3 nosifundileyo actually to play. Again umchita ubonisa i-signs, ubonisa nje glimpses yabo ba okay player intswembu, but until when kunini manje ubonisa nje i-signs umchita. Otherwise kodwa izolo yona sign esibone izolo zeke izigoals because score mhlamba create yona way ibonisile sibonile izolo. It was like hey excel yasuka umchita like say thola way twice say accelerator, like khona play wayithatha on by Sundowns. I think bingu wala mekhala Modiba, I think uyothatha Modiba like suka from deep, I think from center line actually, or like even the defensive half at Chiefs, like excel wakhwela iscooter umchita asuka nyanyana to play, and esefuna ibonakalise a lot more away. And as a matter of fact a boy player kanjeyana, maybe just maybe like maybe to play akanayo creativity, akanayo la ability bone ne maybe like the style of play for ba fitting Chiefs as a winger okanye as a number 10. Maybe say full back player, maybe Makala is a wing back umchita, because like if you're born a play for Tapelo Morena, it's like you need at least like you play like fast nela globo. Maybe it's better for about like maybe it's better if you get a position where it's like there's like 20 or 30 meters away from like maybe na 20 or 30 meters umchita like off the pitch wenze like say azokhwela iscooter sakhe. Maybe to play angadlala as a wing back, or like as a wing back when simply as a right back umchita. Because like I'm not sure if he's about to get back three, but if I is a right wing back, I mean I is a right back, if money chance for overlap umchita. Because like the suka umchan and already said the finishing here was no cross some. And in the last point about to pray the way who Tsotsi ulawe who Chiefs nayo who Dylan Solomon's why wing says no I'm sure abanye beni bayazi babe Solomon why wing and then sexuals last season wabekwa as right back and the rest was history. One of Simon Chiefs, he was the best right back second half last season the Chiefs because umchita been a space because like top power and pace and speed. So when bafumeneki position nje yakwazi ba ukuthatha abantu attack, maybe just maybe actually to play maybe angaba yi right back and wing back because yasuka umchita. Into esithathu esifundileyo phana is Edmilson ngathi ngaphila umchita kudala edlala like player ever since yasayina ngeChiefs. I think umchita ufike ngoSeptember okoba edlala every game edlala 90 minutes like bone any to rotate kaloku kancane ngenye isikhathi. So umchita bonakalile phaka match even before this game kuze khona game idlala before lena ba okay wenze mistake eziningi umchita top player there but say maybe qale okay bangathi dino umchita bone you can see ba you need to rest when you rotate. But ke khona I quality replacer Chiefs I'm sure ikhona sikhona players pha bone siyazi ngapho yeke lo iba okay bizasokola but bone bakhona o ndawo Njabulo Ngcobo khona Eric Matho khona Austin Dube every so Arthur you need to rest Edmilson bonakala ngathi ngaphile kule game. Into esihlanu siqapheleyo that we learned kule match izolo is another exciting young player phaka Chiefs. Ilight izinto ezininzi izilight pha potential grand wandisile Duba the striker yangena pha replace ula eBM emnyama and khona aqala futhi uzibonakalisa uDuba ba ise potentially grand pha mshana khona moment yothatha on say lawe ngathi benguthoba imvala yomthena pha side acceleration pace ne speed wa driver ubonisa desire grand umchita kuba yakwazi uthatha on players yakwazi ukubona thatha initiative unayo confidence and funa lo energy funeka lo so uDuba uzibonakalisile ba okay ready for start ngokanye ufuna opportunity mama ka start if for 5 minutes maybe afumane like 35 more understand kanye 30 minutes and then after that can also start the game because quality corner pa fumana nje more minutes otherwise nazo zi 5 esiqapheleyo kule match ezi Chiefs ikiwe 1-0 Sundowns FNB. Number 1 Neo Maema inja leyo watch out for the player akwazi ufinisha nge left qha nje yakwazi ushaya nge right nge power nge kill nge speed nqabile lo we South Africa. Neo Maema uyakude umchita. Number 2 nesifundileyo Samkelo Zwane need to improve. If for more information uzojonga i-video up endiyenzileyo Samkelo Zwane last week about 10 umchana overrated uTswembu but overrated. I go bad la video and umgxeki pha umchita so understand if ebona la video bandilwentisa ngayo pha. Isithathu esifundileyo actually to play bonisa nje potential umchita but dala ngabonisa potential maybe is a right back, maybe is a full back umchita, maybe la way a right wing back because like so much speed, so much pace. Actually to play maybe Connie coaches will give him try as a wing back. Number 4 Edmilson ngaphile uyiqala idlala ya rotate uyafuna urest umchita kancane. And then wesihlanu number 5 wandile Duba because I light for a chance of maybe more minutes, maybe 45 minutes, maybe 35 minutes, maybe 90 minutes. Ngesibone ba okay unandoni umchana. Otherwise bafethu ngosi ngobukela ivideo and if you are to banana content na le channel cela ucofe usubscribe, iivideos ziza everyday, sincokola nje ikakagranda. Enkosi Majide Sharp.